Hi guys and welcome to the last lecture in section 3 conclusion. Please be informed that we use parallel connection at all, which means all the previous exercises are applied by the parallel connection. Do you know why? Because we need to keep the voltage constant across the loads. I will describe it more. Assume you want to connect two light bulbs together. Before connecting them, check on the rated voltage for each one. Simply, it could be either 220 volt or 110 volt. Let's assume 220 volt. Therefore, each light must be fed by 220 volt. And to do this, you must connect the two lights in parallel. In this case, you keep the voltage equal to 220 volt for each one. Yeah, this is what we've done previously. Loops for live wire and loops for neutral wire. That's it. We don't use or apply the series connection because the voltage will be divided across the loads, which will make the brightness to be less. The same figure here, I've just rotated the light bulb. You can try this connection and observe what would happen with the brightness for each one. Of course, be sure to apply the safety first comments before wiring. Types of power socket. Okay, as you know, this is called 13 ampere single power socket. The next one is 13 ampere double power socket or twin power socket, water type, and it's found in toilets most of the time. Moreover, IP is 44, and IP refers to or defines the protection level. Never mind, we will describe it after few slides. Okay, this is 15 ampere power socket, and the last sockets here are called industrial power socket. But one is the three-phase and the other is single phase. You may want to ask which one should I fix, which one should I choose or use. Okay, it depends. It depends on the load you have. If you need 13 ampere, you will choose this or this. If you need 15 ampere, you will take this, and so on. This switch is called 20 ampere double pole switch. 20 ampere, it means this switch can handle up to 20 ampere, while double pole refers to live and neutral. Yeah, so you have to connect the live and the neutral wire to it. Unlike the light switches. As you've seen previously in the light switches, the live wire will be connected to it, but the neutral wire will be connected to the main supply. By the way, the double pole switch is usually used or fixed for controlling a water heater, boiler, or AC. If you want to connect light bulbs to a double pole switch, it would look like this. Yet it's not recommended or accepted to control lights by using double pole switch. Why? Simply, you don't need to use a double pole switch to control lights because it's more expensive than a light switch. So no need to waste money. You have to consider and pay attention for the cost or the price. Switches from back side. The first one is a one-gang switch, one way. Look carefully, it has only two terminals, one for COM and the other for L, while this terminal is disabled as you can see. Yeah, this one is also a one-gang switch, but it's a two-way because there are three terminals. The next one is a one-gang switch, one-way. So as a result, you have to look from backside in order to know if the switch is one-way or two-way. That's it. There are several types and shapes for light fixtures. For instance, this one is called 60 by 60, spotlight, rail spotlight, and so on. Honestly, I don't care about the names. What I care for are the total consuming load and the IP rated. That's it. The load and the IP rated. I don't care about the name and the tags. Okay, understand IP rated or ingress protection. Let me simplify it. Any electric or electronic device has a specific IP rated. In order to know if this device is suitable to be fixed inside or outside, in the toilet or outside the toilet, As we've mentioned previously, the twin power socket, and we said it is water type, and its IP is 44. In addition, the light fixtures and switches have IP rated. For example, the outside light must be designed to be convenient for outside location. Okay, by the way, the first integer defines the protection against the ingress of dust, and the second integer defines the protection against of water. You can read it alone, I think it's clear. Okay, let's continue. Can you can you wire power sockets with a light bulb? Yes, you can, but it is not accepted at all because you must split between light wiring and power socket wiring. However, if you want to try, it will be like this. Loops by using neutral wires, loops by using live wires, earth wires, and finally connect them to the main supply. This was everything for section 3. I hope it was clear for you. Of course, if you have any question, you can contact me anytime. Okay, see you in the next section. Good luck.